Hey folks, I'm Mike Evers, OrthoWorld Senior Market Analyst. This video is part of an ongoing series covering the state of each orthopedic market segment. In this episode, let's talk about orthopedic enabling technology. So a quick overview. We estimate the enabling technology market grew in the high single digits to a worldwide total of $1.4 billion in 2024. But the importance of enabling technology goes well beyond its sales figures. It's disrupting the competitive dynamics of the biggest orthopedic markets like joint replacement and spine. In 2025, we expect a healthy appetite for capital equipment, more competitive pressure at the top of the market, and a focus on providing optionality within each tech portfolio. As I mentioned, sales no longer tell the entire story for capital technology demand, with the advent of rentals, leases, and volume-based agreements. Some companies are still doing mostly outright sales, however. While Globus Medical offers a variety of placement methods, its enabling technology sales have grown significantly since 2020. Stryker, Globus Medical, and OrthoFix are just some of the companies that reported record quarters for technology placement at various points in 2024, indicating ongoing, robust demand for these systems. Technology is also changing the competitive dynamics in orthopedics. Stryker changed the entire paradigm of joint replacement with its Mako robotics system. For years, Mako and cementless knees was a virtually unbeatable combination. Its competitors are just now starting to close that gap. And the technology race between Medtronic and Globus Medical did the same thing in spine. Medtronic CEO Jeffrey Martha believes the very basis for competition is changing in spine due to enabling technology. He believes it'll filter out smaller companies and even knock large competitors out of the space. A new wave of competition is entering the market in 2025 as well. We'll see more robots in spine, knees, and shoulders, more augmented and virtual reality, and we expect companies to increasingly focus on data. Implants are still important, but it's becoming harder and harder to be an implant-only company. Finally, companies are investing in providing wide-ranging tech portfolios to give their customers options. Zimmer Biomet made early moves focused on optionality as it expanded its own systems, acquired OrthoGrid, and partnered with Think Surgical. Likewise, Globus recently expanded its Excelsius family with its hub and complementary pieces like a VR headset. Globus is also investing in making its technology operate seamlessly with its implants and instruments, building its ecosystem from the ground up. That type of cohesion across a portfolio is likely to become a focus as more surgeons adopt technology. All right, let's wrap it up. Here's what we expect in 2025. Healthy demand for technology, stiffer competition at the top of the market, and an increasing focus on optionality and cohesion. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get all of our upcoming segment analysis. Also, check out our updated orthopedic company sales matrix and a ton of other industry coverage over on orthoworld.com. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Mike Evers, and I'll see you next time.